Yan, hello guys. So today pupunta tayo sa event ng hip.ph para sa mga mommies. And meron tayong kasama si Tita Honey. So, ito pala yung outfit natin for today. Ayan. Pastel color kasi siya, tsaka formal event siya ng hip.ph organic. So, ayun. This is our first event. First formal event as a small content creator. Thank you so much for inviting. May free shuttle siya sa ATC, magkikita-kita for free shuttle. Sayang naman, mag-free shuttle tayo. So mag-grab lang muna kami papunta sa ATC. So guys, ayun, nandito na kami sa Grab. Papuntang parking ng ATC pero parang masyado kaming maaga. Siya ay kakain muna. So, nakita na namin yung shuttle. Ay! Ayan. Sige, okay lang po.
Okay lang.
Hi! Mga may mga kasama na kami dito sa shuttle. Ayan guys, ang dami ko na mga kamamis dito sa shuttle. Hello po! Yo! Dito na kami guys. So, pababa na kami. Excited na ako. Yan, papunta na kami guys dun sa mismong event. Kakalapag lang namin. Ayan, nandito na kami guys. So, nandito na kami sa hip. May ka-curly mama ko dito. Yes, curly girls. Yeah, let's go to registration. Yan, dito na kami. Ayan na, sa registration. Yeah, we have a lot of freebies, guys. We have tote bag. Hi, mami! Ayan, siya naman yung naglalaro. Go, mami, honey!
Congratulations, Mami. Thank you.
Ayan, may mga pa-games sila dyan, guys. Nakadalawang booth na kami. So, ayun guys. So, dito na tayo sa loob. Nag-reserve muna kami ng chair bago ko tapusin yung games. Dito kami sa table 16. Ayan. Mami meet up. Register lang siya, tapos pwede na siyang mag-spin. May makukuha na siya. Pen!
Okay, ready? And 3, 2, 1. Okay, ma'am.
Our program will begin in just a few minutes. Until then, we invite you to take your time exploring our booths, connecting with fellow moms, and enjoying the activities prepared just for you. Also, moms, the food station is now open. Kindly proceed to the food station and present your food stock to claim your meal and refreshments. Thank you for spending this afternoon with us, and we hope you'll have a wonderful time.
So, mag-start na yung pinaka-program pero kakain muna tayo. Ayan guys, sobrang dami ng food. Yan, kumuha muna kami ng coffee guys. Kasi mag-start na rin yung event for a while. Oo nga, may nakita ako. So guys, lunch lang kami. Then mamaya mag-start na rin yung program. So, ang dami ring food. Hindi mo kailangan ito. Hindi, kunti lang.
And desserts.
May desserts pa. Quesadilla, tapos ito. Ang dami. Diet pa naman ako. So, wala mo ng diet today. Thank you so much, Hip
It is my deepest conviction that we can only produce best.
And now in the middle. Now all together, how's everyone doing in Mommy Meetup 2.0 Taguig? Yes!
Wow, what an incredible afternoon seeing all the beautiful moms here in HIP Mommy. Happy and healthy children. And of course, because of the overwhelming love of moms.
You found a mysterious sticky smudge on your clothes after leaving for an important meeting.
I can relate.
Slime.
Maybe 80% love.
True.
Yeah, especially pag after kumain yung mga kids mo with all the chocolate
That happens to me all the time.
Of course. Dads are not exempt. You ready, moms?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So I'm a label detective.
I am a label detective.
I ignore the front.
I ignore the
I
front.
read the back.
I read the back.
I look for red flags.
I look for red
And I
flags.
trust my gut.
And I trust my
And
God.
please give a hand to everyone and please take your
And the great news, moms, is that Hip Organic Kinder Milk is available. And he's going to be talking a little bit about nutrition, particularly for children. Okay, he is the CEO of Antec. He's a nutritionist. He hates it when I say this, but he's got 50 years experience in this industry and with this topic. He's sometimes confused as my brother, but he's actually my father.
Wow.
It gives me great pleasure to introduce my father, Mr. Edwin Feist.
Kasi Edward na ano, yung sa tubig.
Max, are you here somewhere?
Uy, grandson.
Max? I don't see him. Can anybody see him? Wait, where is he? Point him out to me.
You're back.
Max? Come on up.
Ay, ang cute.
How are you?
Good.
Good.
Let's give a hand to Max. He's just here for vacation and we're just so happy to see him. Thank you very much, Mr. Edwin Pines.
Miss Rachel,
Ayan. So,
Miss
patapos
Mom,
na
it's
yung
been a
program.
pleasure working. This work didn't feel like work, it felt like more of a mission and a purpose. Pressure yourself to, meet the standards of the society. Filter the noise. Diba? Lagi kasing sinasabi sa atin, ang payat ng anak mo, healthy ba yan? Nagiging, yes! Feel na feel nila. Nagiging sukatan yung timbang ng bata.
Nakakaiyak naman kasi
Na-follow ko
last
sila.
namin to dapat ngayon eh. This is my 11th MMU. Sir Edward? Sir Edward.
Yeah, for me, I just want to thank everyone for being here today. Thank you so much. Again, this day is about you. It is the last Mommy Meetup. We might have a few more up our sleeves, but I'm not allowed to talk about that. But thank you for being here. We really appreciate you. We appreciate what you do. And we hope that you enjoyed today.
But we hear you. We know. And we try to develop or improve ourselves as much as possible. But I want you to know that bringing HIP to the Philippines was not motivated by profit. Not at all. It was motivated by being able to produce or to offer you the best possible formulation.
One more, Mama. Come join the HIP Organic Kinder Milk Mommy Circle na lang.
Okay, last one. Come
Last
join
one.
the HIP Organic Kinder Milk Mommy Circle today. All right, stand by. Video. Rolling. 5, 4, 3, go.
So, ayan nga guys, pauwi na kami. Tapos nanalo pa siya ng doon sa raffle ng South Drugs. So, thank you so much po. So, yan, nasa biyahe na kami guys. Shuttle ulit. Yan, pagod na mga mami na ito. Napagod ka pero masaya naman. Yan, so pauwi na kami. Pagod. Mga nahihilo kami. Mga nahihilo na. Nakakahilo yung shuttle pag ganon-ganon kasi nga traffic. Ayan, thank you so much, hip.ph. Maraming freebies and paraffol. And sa pag-invite sa amin, sobrang nag-enjoy kami at na-miss ako ng mga babies na to. Ayan na. So, ayun lamang for today's video. And I hope more events to come. Ayan, so guys, so thank you so much for watching. And then I will upload the reels as well sa TikTok and sa Facebook as well, sa Instagram. And probably I'm gonna make a YouTube video then on how I able to join the mommy meetup for hip.ph. So thank you so much and follow me sa mga social media accounts ko.